Good evening, my dear students. So today I am going to discuss with you the information technology, some sample question. Okay, it's regarding to your board examination. So as you know, the total marks you will get in the board examination is 50. Okay, 50 marks. Time is allotted for you 2 hours. So your subject code is 402 information technology. Those who have class 10 and taken the IT as a skill subject, for them I am making this video. Okay, so your general instruction for this question you can see. Please read the instruction carefully. This question paper consists of 21 questions, section A and B. You have two sections. Okay, section A, section B. Section A has objective type question and section B contain subjective type question. Okay, out of the given 5 plus 16, 21 question, a candidate has to answer 15 question. So total 21 question will come in the examination. Out of this will appear any 15 question. Okay, so all questions of particular section must be attended in the correct order. That means whatever the section wise you will attend the question in the correct order. Out of 21 will appear 15 question. So section A, your objective type question 24 marks, section B subjective type question 26, total is 50. So let's see the question. Section A, answer any 4 out of the given 6 question on employability skill. So as you know, your total whole syllabus is converted into two subsection. First one is your employability skill, and second one is your subject specific skill. Okay, so the first 4 question you will get from the employability skill. So you can see Suresh participated in a 100-meter race and won a prize. This motivated him to go for practice every morning. Okay, so what type of motivation is this? Suresh, one student, okay, he participated in 100-meter race and he got one prize. So what type of motivations he will get from this? So let's see the answer. Here the answer is with a screen. Okay, it is external motivation. You can see the 4 option is there. None of these internal, intermediate, external. The correct answer is external. So how it is external? Because after getting the means going to the races, it is the external part. Okay, so there they got the prize. So from the external sources they got the motivation. So that's why it is called external motivation. Next question. Rekha gets up at 5 a.m. and goes for her dance class. Then she comes home and finishes her homework before going to school. This is an example of which type of motivation. So this is the self-motivation. You can see the answer. Self-motivation is the answer. Okay, because he is self-motivated and doing his own work. Okay, no one pushing him to do this work. So that's why it comes under self-motivation. Next question. The file name and file name extension are separated by a. So whenever you are writing any file, suppose you are making a Word file, okay, suppose ABC dot docs. So it is a Word file. So you can see this is the file name, this is the extension. So by using the dot, or we can call it a period, okay, you will be differentiated file name and the extension. Let's see the answer. Period. Period is the correct answer. Clear? Which option is not required to keep a device cool? Okay, so keep your computer device, whatever the device you are using, how you keep it cool. Keep the device, first option, unplugged when it in use. Avoid having the device in the sun. Make sure the computer CPU fan is working. Do not cover a laptop with a blanket. So he's asking the question, which option is not required to keep a device cool? So you can see here, keep the device unplugged when it in use. Okay, this is not required to keep a device cool, and all other things should be required to keep the device cool, because it is keep the device unplugged when it is use. That means it is already cool. Okay. How can an entrepreneur get the work done by his or her team? Okay, entrepreneur who is starting some business, who is doing some business, the uh, person who is starting the business is known as entrepreneur. So how they will be get the work done by his or her team? Okay, so by creating a spirit of teamwork, by motivation, by creating a spirit of teamwork, using harsh word and action. So we can see both by creating a spirit of teamwork and motivation is the answer, I think. You can see here, both by creating a spirit of teamwork and motivation is the correct answer. Next question. Innovation of an entrepreneur includes introducing new product, opening new market, division of work, both opening new market and introducing new product. So new market and introducing new product, you can see here, because it is the innovation. Okay, it is the innovation they can do. The next question, question number 2, is here with your screen. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Okay, total 6 questions are there. For this will appear any 5 questions. The general arrangement of the text in the document. Okay, so what it is called? Formatting. It is called formatting. The general arrangement of a text in the document is called formatting. Suppose this is a page, MS Word. Okay, so whenever you are writing in a proper alignment, and you are doing some different types of editing, taking some text to center, taking some text to left, right, or whatever we are doing. With this, all the steps comes under formatting. Then the default cap space, okay, is 0.5. You can see the default space, cap space character, it will take 0.5 space. Which of the following is a set of formats consisting of such things as fonts and colors? Okay, so this comes under style. Fonts, colors, everything comes under style. By default, the dash option is selected when we click on the file new option. Okay, so when we click on the new option, a blank document will be opened. You can see, suppose I am here, I am opening new Word. Practically I am showing you. Suppose Word I am opening here. Here the Word is in your screen. Okay, when I click on the new, you can see new is there. Okay, blank document. Clear everyone? So it will become, you can see the answer is blank document. Option B is the correct answer. Clear everyone? I think everyone understood whatever I am telling you. Which extension is given to a document by default in MS Word? Okay, Whenever you are writing or preparing any document in MS Word, the default extension is .docs, DOCX. Which is the following is not an auto set. Okay, so curve is an auto set, line is an auto set, circle is an auto set. Clip fact, you can see clip fact is not an auto set. We have to make, means we have to search different types of things, then we will get. But this thing is fixed. Curve, line, and circle it is fixed. But the answer is clip. Okay. Then answer any five out of the given. Again, five question from the sixth question. A worksheet arrange is a dash. Okay, worksheet, a group of cells. Command is for data modeling. A range of values such as from 23 to 234 group of worksheets. So it is, you can call group of cells. The worksheet, it is a group of cell in Excel. It is comes under Excel part. So it is a group of cell. Yeah. This is one individual cell where the rows and column meet. Okay, this particular one is called one cell. So it is a group of worksheet is a range of group of cells. A worksheet 2003 can have maximum dash number of rows. Okay, version 2003 they are asking 65,535 rows. Define a range option is available under data tab. Yes, it should be in the data tab. Range option. Okay, there should be one range. You will select from A1 to D5. Whatever the range you will select in the Excel. Suppose I am showing Excel here, blank workbook. You can see data section. Okay, you can see the range here from table or range. You can see select. Suppose this person you have selected. It is not selecting. Okay. Data. You can see this is the range that it is coming. Coming or not range? Okay. From table or range, you can see here. From A3 to H16. Okay. The range I have selected here. So this is called range. It is available on the under which tab? Chalo. Let's come to our question. So the answer will be data. The worksheet is a processing software collection of workbook combination of rows and column. It should be combination of rows and column. Okay, the Excel you can see. Okay, this one rows and column combination of rows and column. This is the column, this particular one, and this is the okay. So by combination of row and column, it is which of the following changes are not recorded in the shared worksheet? Changes any number, none of these, changes any text, cell formatting. So cell formatting is not recorded. Okay. Whenever you are doing any changes in number or anything, it should be visible. But cell formatting, it is not recorded in the shared worksheet. Whatever worksheet you share, the formatting that should be shared. How can we set a page border in Excel? Excel, how to set a page border? From tools menu, you cannot set page border in Excel. From home, from edit menu. So you cannot set page border in the Excel. There is no page border available under Excel. So you cannot do that page border. Clear everyone? Then any 6 question, which of the following is not the advantage of database? Data security is the advantage. Reduce data redundancy is the advantage. Increase data consistency. It is a not an advantage. Okay, it will reduce the data inconsistent. Inconsistent data should not be there, but they have written increase. So it should not be the advantage. The hierarchical database is also known as a tree structure. Okay, it should be in the tree format. Hierarchical data structure. Hierarchy. Follow a hierarchy. Which of the following is not a component of the database? Software, user, hardware, memory. Memory. Okay, memory is not a component of the database. Software is a component, user is a component, hardware is a component, but memory is not a component. Database can be best described as the organized collection of data. All of these useful presentation of data, graphical representation of data. You can call all of these organized collection of data. It is not graphical. It should be organized. Database always represent the structure, the organized collection. Okay. Relationship can be created between two or more tables. Okay, two or more tables. In a single table, we cannot make a relationship. There should be required two tables to make a relationship between them. Which language help to extract the fetch data from the table? MySQL. Okay. Then answer any 5 again. To join the internet, the computer has to be connected an internet service provider. Okay, ISP. Sorry, not this one. Internet service provider. That should be there. Then we can connect to the internet. Okay. Yes, is an example of text-based browser which provide access to the internet in a text-only mode. Text-based browser links. Okay, is a highly configurable text-based browser. You can see here links. Digital information is converted into analog information by the modem. A destination computer, neither destination nor source, both destination and source computer. So digital is converted into analog in the source computer. Yes, in the source computer, when anyone will send, they have the analog data. Okay, previously present. Then they will be converted into digital data and they will send to the destination computer. So in the source computer, data information, analog information converted into analog. Network formed between computer which are spread across the continents. One, wide area network. Okay, so the biggest network, or we can call it as internet. Home page helps viewers to find out what they can find out on the particular site. Home page is the first page of a website. Okay, first page of a website, home page. Whenever you open any page, suppose I search here Chrome, I open. Okay, Chrome opened. Suppose I search here Amazon. Okay, Amazon.in. So this page is called the home page. The front page, what you are seeing here, it is the home page, you can call it. Here everyone, this first network was ARPANET. When the internet was developed at that time, the first net it is developed, it is called ARPANET, Advanced Resource Project Agency Network. Okay, so in this your objective part is over. Now we'll focus on the subjective part. So what should we do when we become aware of our flaws? Okay, so let's see the answer. When we become aware of our flaws, we should not hide them, but take other people's help in overcoming them. Okay, so whenever we are facing any type of problem, flaws, then what should be our role? Okay, we are not sitting idle, will not sit idle at the time, we'll take some other person help or suggestion or whatever, okay, to eradicate this one. So this was the it will write the proper answer. When we become aware of our flaws, okay, we'll know that what should be. So we should not hide them. Okay, we will not hide, we will be expressed to some other person, then they will be help you or they will give you some solution to overcome this flaws. Then fatigue. How what is fatigue? Fatigue related to stress. Why it is difficult to avoid? So fatigue-related stress builds up over a long time and can take a heavy toll on our bodies. So long-term stress is called fatigue stress. Fatigue. You can call it fatigue. It is caused by working too long or too hard at our job. Okay, school or home. Suppose you are in job, you are taking some stress. Okay, so it is long-term stress. That means every day you are taking some types of stress. School, you are studying, uh, you are also taking okay different types of stress. Home, so it can also be caused by exercising too much or too long. If you don't know how to manage your time well or how to take time out for rest and relaxation, you will become a victim of fatigue related stress. So it is difficult to avoid because many people feel that it is out of their control. Okay, so you can see the answer he's telling. That means the long term stress or everyday what the self stress you are facing, it is called fatigue. So how you are overcoming? The question was why it is difficult to avoid. Okay, because every day you are stressed means getting the same types of situation in your working culture or in school, whatever, in your home. So how why it is difficult to avoid? Because you are not. If you want also, you cannot avoid this one. So you will do some exercise, yoga, meditation, and some work, evening work, morning work, whatever. Spend some time with the relatives, friends, and release that stress, whatever you are getting from this. Okay. How a new presentation can be created. Okay. A new presentation can be created by launching the PowerPoint or by pressing the new from the office button. Okay. You can see here. You go to search button. Okay. So new presentation we are talking about that. So PowerPoint, okay, you can see here how will be the PowerPoint is in your screen, blank presentation. The presentation you will get some new slide and you will start presentation, start presenting for anyone. Clear? So how the new presentation will be created? The same process you will follow. Why there is a need for innovativeness in entrepreneurship. Okay, so what is the process of entrepreneurship? Some person is developing some business or doing some startup. Okay, so in this process, in this today's era, you'll see that whatever business you are doing, in all types of business, you need some innovativeness, creativity. New thing will be developed to the market society, then the people will be take interest towards your product. Otherwise, no one will be ignored by the people because this is useless. Okay, no use of that. So for this reason, every day you will think about the new thing what you can develop into or take to your business. Then the people will be take interest to take your product or whatever for your business. So what the answer is telling, there is a need of innovativeness in entrepreneurship, because with the changing needs and requirements of customer, production should be meet the requirement. Okay, every day we will take the market study, what the people, what the society wants. Based on that, your business should be focused on that. The survey you have done, you will always need the meet the user's requirement. Explain any three characteristics or qualities of an entrepreneur. Very good question, very important question I am asking here. Okay, three characteristics of or quality of entrepreneurship or an entrepreneur: leadership, then risk taking, innovativeness, or you can call multitasking. You can see leadership, innovativeness, decision maker. Okay, so you can elaborate this one by taking this one: leadership, innovativeness, and decision maker. Here, by this section A. Okay, section B, employability skill is over. This all the question is from employability skill. Then subject specific skill. So in the subject specific skills, how to insert the copyright symbol into a Word document. Okay, suppose a copyright symbol you want to insert in the Word document, then what should you do? So you go for the header. Select insert tab, click symbol option from the symbol group, select more symbol. The symbol dialog box will appear with the copyright symbol. Click the insert button. I am showing you here the steps will follow. What? Okay, word open. Slowly I am doing insert option, symbol. Okay, more symbol. Here it is, copyright is there. You can see the copyright open. This is called copyright. Okay, how you want to insert. So the steps you remember here. You take the screenshot this one. First you will select the insert tab in the word, click symbol option from the symbol group, select more symbols. In the symbol dialog box will appear and select the copyright symbol and click the insert button finally. Then the copyright symbol, okay, sorry, the copyright symbol will come. Okay, next question. What are the objects in a word processing software? Okay, what types of objects you'll get in the word processing software? So the word processor object allows different formatting within the same object. However, word processor object printed as an image, they require quite a bit more resource than normal single multi-line text object. So it should be include text, graphics, and different types of embedded objects. Okay. So whenever you will see, you will opening the word processor. This is the word. Okay. You click on insert. Lots of options you will get here. You can see pictures, shapes, icons. Okay. 3D models, smart art. This is smart art. Charts, screenshots, everything, links, online video, Wikipedia, everything you can insert under a Word document. Okay. Chalo. Next question. What do you need to freeze rows and column in a spreadsheet? Okay, spreadsheet means Excel. So to keep an area of worksheet visible while you scroll to other area of the worksheet, go to the View tab where you can freeze the frames to lock the specific rows and column in place. Okay, suppose this area you want to see while scrolling the other area, this area is visible for you. Then you'll go to which option? View. View tab can get free spans, okay, and lock specific rows and column. I'll show you in the Excel here. Blank one will open. Okay, view tab. I suppose select this one here. Select this one. Okay, free span. You can see here free spans. Keep rows and column visible while the rest of worksheets scroll. This one you can see. Suppose I go to another worksheet. Okay, but this worksheet will be only, means they have selected only this worksheet. You can see this area. This area will be visible when you will do any operation. Okay, we do not find anything to print because this area only we have selected. Freeze pen, lock this area. Okay, then again on freeze top row, freeze first column, unfreeze. Then unfreeze, the area will unfreeze again. So the freeze will be used to lock. Keep an area of worksheet visible while you scroll to another area of the worksheet. Okay. Clear? What is the use of freeze? What are the disadvantages of typical file processing system? It is not fill, it is file. Okay, typing mistake, so don't worry about this file processing system. So the advantage you will get in the database, these are the disadvantages in the file processing system. Okay. So what are the disadvantages? It creates redundancy. Same file multiple times. Data inconsistency. Okay, there should not be consistent data. Data security. These are the disadvantages you will get here. You can see here data redundancy, inconsistency, insecure data, incorrect data, unhashable data, unshareable, unstandardized data. These are the disadvantages you will get in the typical file processing system. Take the screenshot of this and you will write down in your notes and practice. Very important question also, good question. What is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. So there should be the data should be in the form of rows and columns. Okay, that is called RDBMS. You can see here. It provides the feature to create, update, administer relational database. This makes easy to search and retrieve the data within the database and ensure that data integrity is maintained. Data integrity means there should be a proper constraint, proper rules should be followed by the whole data. There should not be any data mismatch, anything incorrect that should not be there. Okay. The relational database structure makes it possible to run the queries at multiple tables at once. Some example: RDBMS application, LibreOffice, Base, Oracle, MS Access, Sybase, MySQL. Clear? Take the screenshot. If you want, I can also share you the files. So if you want, you can comment me on the, okay, here in the video. I'll share you the files if you want. Then, what is the use of repeater in a network? Okay, so it receives a weak signal coming from a source and amplifies it to original strength and then again forward it to the destination. So if any network error, any issue will get in any network, okay, so it will be immediately they will be transferred to repeater. So repeater receive that weak signal, then it will be amplify again. Okay, check the proper network gain or whatever. Then when the network again strong, then again they will forward to the destination. The use of repeater. Basically, repeater is used in networks so that signal can travel a longer distance. Okay, so it is a use in network. That's why. Next is Section B, subject specific skill. Rahul is using a word processor to create his chemistry coursework. Okay. He wants to insert his roll number and page number in the footer of the document. So Rahul, one boy, is doing something in the word processor in Word. He wants to insert his roll number and page number in footer of the document. So define footer. What is footer? It is coming on the bottom of the page. Whatever you write, it will be coming on the bottom of the page. I am showing you here. Suppose Word blank document, open, insert. Okay. Then here header footer. Footer is, you can see, insert edit footer. Okay. So anything type here. We'll type, suppose I type IT. Okay. So in every page, and save it. Every page you can see will get, okay, apply to all. You get in every page. One page is here. Suppose I you can see in the bottom you will get this one. Okay, this is the footer. So this is how you will define the footer. But he is defining footer is section that appears in the bottom of every page. You can insert text, numbers, graphics to the footer. So what you can insert? You can insert any number, any graphics, any text. Next question. In the text coursework, Rahul wants to insert only page number. So where should he insert page number? In the header, in the footer, or in the text of every page? Okay. Where should he insert the page number? Always in the footer. You can see the page number I am showing you here. What? Blank document, insert, footer. Okay. Edit footer, page number, bottom of the page, like this. You can see. Okay. Suppose I'll take another page. Okay, it is on one page. Suppose I will take another page. Insert name. Let's see. Blank document. Okay, so here you can insert footer in the every page. Edit footer, you can see page number, bottom of the page, like this. It will come. Okay, clear everyone? Come like this. You can see this is the header section. Okay, and this is the footer section. Why it's happening like this? Don't know. Sometimes. Okay. So yes, it is possible to insert a footer without inserting a header. No need to inserting header. We can insert the page number in the footer. Then the next question he is asking: is it possible to insert a footer without inserting a header? Yes, we can. Here everyone, if any doubt you will get any question, you will be comment me here. How can conditional formatting be used to identify the duplicates in Excel? Write the steps. Okay, if you get anything duplicate in the Excel, then how the conditional formatting will help you? It is the most powerful feature in Excel spreadsheet. You can use conditional formatting when you want to highlight a cell to meet a specified condition. Suppose we'll take some marks in Excel. Okay, mark of a student, any different subject you have taken, then total mark. So you apply a condition, the marks should be greater than 300, okay, and less than 400. This is the condition we will make. So based on this condition, which student will be met this condition, okay, then this data will be shown. So how you can do that? Select a data set. That means you prepare a data set first, roll number, name, all the data, okay. Then want to highlight the duplicates, go to home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. Duplicate value dialog box will appear in the duplicate value dialog box. Make sure duplicate is selected in the left drop down, and you can specify the format we applied using the right drop down. And there are some existing format we apply for this custom format, and okay. This is the format. We'll take the screenshot. This one. How will we apply the conditional formatting? I'm erasing here. You'll be getting it. You can see here. Sorry. Okay. Then the next question you can see on your screen. Conditional formatting is over now. Distinguish between one-to-one and one-to-many relationship. Very good question. In one-to-one relationship, a record in a table can have only one matching record in another table. Okay, that is called one-to-one. If one-to-many, a record of one table is associated with several matching records. However, record of the second table is associated only one record in the first table. Okay, this is that means a single record will be matched with the single record of this second table. First table single record, second table single record. Only one record. Okay, a record in a table can have only one matching record in another table. That is called one to one. One to many, a record in one table is associated with several matching records. So distinguish between one. Okay. Then the SQL commands. This is the very important question. We'll get. Okay. 1, 5 to 5. One table he will be giving you. Okay, and he'll ask you some questions. Display employee name and salary of those employees whose salary is greater than or equal to 22,000. So what will write? Select. Display means you'll use the select command always. Remember, when that display option they will give you the question, then you will choose the select option always. So they will ask you display the employee name, so you'll write select employee name comma salary of those employees from the employee table. The table name is, they are mentioned here, table employee from employee, where salary, okay, greater than or equal. That means you will use both greater than or equal to symbol. You can see here. Okay. Select employee name, salary from the employee where salary greater than equal to 1000. Second question. Display the details of employee. Those are not getting any commission. On commission, you can see here. Where the commission is null, that means he is not getting any commission. Okay, or 0.0. So how will you get? Select star from employee. Star means display all. display all the data by default. Star means it will hold all the data of the table. From employee where commission is null. Is null one function, they will show you wherever the null value is there in the commission. Clear? So is null is a function. Chalo. Next, display the employee name and salary. Those employees who have their salary in the range 2000 to 4000. So when they use the range, we'll use an operator between and. Okay, name and salary. So you'll write select name, ename, profile, salary from chalo. Salary from employee where salary between 2000 and 4000. You can see between and operator. Okay. So next question. Display the name, profile, salary of employee who does not have the manager. You can see the manager. Okay, where the null value is there, they don't have the manager. So it is null again. Name, profile, salary from employee where manager is null. Clear? Then next question. Display the name of employee whose name contains A as the fourth alphabet. So for this, you will use the like operator. An operator is there to pattern matching. For pattern matching, like, and you will use percentile underscore. Okay, one is percentile, another one is underscore. Underscore is for a single character, and percentile is for multiple characters. It is to wildcat character. It is called wildcat character. Use like operator. Here everyone, it is used for pattern matching. So take the screenshot, and how to write this one, you can see here. Select ename from employee where ename like, you can see how many letter they asked. Fourth contains A as the fourth alphabet. So they have taken 1, 2, 3 here combinedly, but it should be 1 single underscore. In the fourth character A, the next character we don't know, but they ask only the fourth character. So we'll write only fourth character A. So which people is there, whose fourth letter is A, it will be visible to you. You can see here whose fourth letter is A. MASA Mahadevan. Okay. Bina, Shivans, it is 5. Okay. This much one. So like this you will get. Clear? The next question, last question of your this sample set. Rahul purchased some stationery item from online site. Okay. So he has to make an online payment for this item. Help answering the query. Suggest any two options that can use to make payment of his bill online shopping website. So they can use credit card, debit card, or internet banking, or you can use UPI also. No problem. Okay. The answer will be credit card, debit card, UPI, net banking. Name any two situations where online shopping could be useful. Okay. So a customer does not have the sufficient time to visit the store, then visiting a store is more expensive. Purchasing a product online. Okay. Product or service that is not available in the local market. So in two cases, either you have time limit and this product is not available, then you can choose for go for online. Any two popular online transaction, Flipkart, we are doing, Amazon, Myntra, lot of sites are there, Subsea. Okay, write the full form of COD in reference online, cash on delivery. that everyone knows. So carefully look at these questions. It is related to your online transaction and shopping, different shopping websites. Okay, so go through that updated thing and prepare for your examination like this. So these are the questions will come, means like this question will come in your examination. So practice this question. If you have any doubts, okay, then you can comment me in the section, in my video. So thank you for today. Next class will be taken by taking another sample questions.